Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And if I understand the gentleman correctly, he's got an icon he wants to put on the menu bar. So with nothing selected, grab your icon and hold down the Alt and the Control key, and you can just set it right in there. I was having a little bit of trouble. This is mine for no fill, very important. And then I would go to Tools and save as default, and then that time all this, make sure everything's checked and do that. Now, what's so cool about this, here's your no fill right there. So if I color this in with black, but I want to go no fill, I'll left click no fill. But if I have black and I'm way down here to get another color, my no fill is gone because it's at the top. So I'm going to pick that one right there. Well, right here, I can go to my no fill and remove the fill. Really cool. And if the person I'm helping or trying to help, if I didn't get it correctly, just let me know. And I have several videos on how to create an icon. This is just a default icon from No Fill on Corel. So if you go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands, and type in No Fill. Now there are two, and I think they both work. I already had a hotkey for it for Q, but if you go to General, it'll tell you no fill removes fill from selected objects. So that's the one you want. And then you can just hold down the Alt and the Control key and put it wherever you want, and then park it up there. I'm going to cancel it because I don't want another one. Now, same way, let's try see if my hotkey still works. Let's fill that in with green and hit Q on the keyboard, and it got rid of my no fill. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.